This free tool will tell you exactly where to focus on your SEO efforts right now, and most business owners already have access to it, they're just not using it. One of the biggest mistakes that I see is businesses not maximizing their existing content and instead focusing on creating new content. So what's the tool? Well, it's called Google Search Console and it's 100% free. So start by opening Google Search Console and head to the performance report. Next, sort your queries by impressions. What you're looking for are keywords that are getting seen on Google but not generating enough clicks, or other keywords that are ranking on page 1 but not in the top few positions. And these are your low-hanging fruit. Google is already telling you that these pages are relevant. You don't need to guess what to optimize anymore, it's right in front of you. So let's go ahead and start optimizing those pages. Let's focus on 3 things in this order. First, open one of the relevant pages and read it like a customer. Does it answer the search intent in the first couple of sentences, or is it way down the bottom in 500 words of waffle? So what you want to do here is move the answer to the query up to the top of the page. Answer it direct and immediately. Second, add content that AI cannot easily generate. So this might be a real-life customer review or quote, a local data point, or some real-life examples. Third and final, update the page date and resubmit it to Google Search Console. Google reads this as fresh and relevant content. Now go ahead and do this on your top 5 underperforming pages and you'll usually notice a difference within about 3 weeks. In many cases, improving an existing page will generate much faster results than creating a brand new page. Now this is just a couple of quick tips. If you want to learn more, I'm actually doing a workshop at the Fremantle Chamber of Commerce on the 9th of July and it's free to attend. Simply click on the link below to register your ticket and I'll see you there.